Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Corolla IM CVT. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback, and the color is called Black Sand Pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your fully automatic headlights, including your automatic high beams. You also have a rear vision camera, and you have heated door mirrors, but there is a ton of stuff happening on the inside of the vehicle, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at some interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is this handy-dandy flip key with fob. So you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once unlocks the front doors, and pushing it twice unlocks all 4. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really great if you're driving in heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. People can definitely see what you are about to do. So we're going to open this up. Lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You have some storage here on the driver's side door. Also doubles as a cup holder, and you have your power windows and locks. And then your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel there. And you also have your power folding mirrors. And here is your forward collision alert. So that's going to be really nice, part of that Toyota safety sense that you get with your Toyota. And taking a look, really nice interior, nice and comfortable. Really comfortable to ride around in. So I'm just going to the other technology features. And we'll take a look at some more of the safety features as well. So really great display, ambient lighting, easy on the eyes. Moving a little bit further back, you do have this great leather wrapped steering wheel. You have that white stitching all along the interior as well, giving it a lot of edge and uniqueness. On the left of your steering wheel here is your volume control buttons and your music selection buttons, along with your hands-free calling. You have your mode changer and your voice command just underneath that. And then on the right-hand side here is your trip computer, and then this is for your central information display. This is going to give you your current fuel economy, any of the messages that your car is trying to tell you about, all of the information that you want, your fuel range, your eco indicator, things like that. So lots of really great stuff just at the couple pushes of a button there. Here is your lane departure warning. That's going to be really handy again if you're taking a really long road trip. Nice safety feature to have. And then here's your cruise control just right back there. So taking a look at the entertainment system now, you do have everything you're going to want. You have your AM, FM radio. You also have your AHA streaming app, your Bluetooth audio, and I'm not sure if you can see it with that glare there, but you have your auxiliary input and your USB. So lots of different music options there for you. Really handy and really easy to navigate. And you can also change your settings. You have your voice command and your hands-free calling there as well. So moving a little bit further down, you do have your dual zone climate control, including your air conditioning. That's going to be really great for those hot summer months. And then right in here, you have a 12-volt DC plug-in, in case you have any other devices you'd like to charge. You have your heated seats, and then you have your USB and your audio input connectors just there. That tucks away nicely, so it's not in your way. You don't have wires hanging out everywhere. You also have your manual mode, like your sport mode and your manual mode. That's really, really fun to drive that way, and you can use your sport mode for that as well. Once again, you can see all of this great white stitching. All of those details really adds a lot of style to the interior. And then right in here is a 2-level center console here, so you have a little bit of storage there. Oops, can't seem to open up the second one. There we go. A little bit smaller, so you can keep some papers and stuff. Doubles as an armrest, really handy. You do have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. Then you have a nice big glove compartment with all of the manuals that you're going to need. And I'm just going to go a little bit further back so you can see this white leather stitching all along the interior. Lots of really beautiful things happening with the front of the Corolla. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Corolla IM, lots of great stuff going on back here as well. You do have a rear vision camera, as we had mentioned. You also have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You have that great spoiler at the top. And I'm just going to open this up here for you so you can take a look at the cargo space. Lots and lots of cargo space. The great thing about a hatchback, and it does have this cargo cover for you. You can take it off if you don't want that on there, but it does give you a little bit of privacy. And when you're done loading up all of your gear, we'll just close this back up here for you and give you a nice view of the back of your Corolla IM. We'll finish up by giving you a final view of the 2018 Toyota Corolla IM CVT. Now, there's a lot happening that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions, see what kind of warranties are available to you. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.